In the future, I want to be a doctor. I want to help sick people get better. I will study hard in school to learn everything I need. Being a doctor will let me make a difference in people's lives. Every morning, I go for a walk with my dog. We enjoy the fresh air and sunshine. My dog is very happy and playful during our walks. It's a special time that makes both of us feel good. My family and I are on a summer holiday. We are staying at a beach. Every day, we swim and play in the sand. At night, we eat dinner together and watch the stars. I always ask my mom to brush my hair. She does it for me every morning. I like how she takes care of it. It makes me feel loved and ready for the day. I love reading stories. They are fun and exciting. Stories help me use my imagination. I feel happy and relaxed when I read them. Reading stories is one of my favorite activities. I am doing my homework. I sit at my desk and work on my assignments. I use books and notes to help me answer questions. When I finish, I quickly review my work. We are in the classroom, and our teacher is talking to us. She is explaining something important. We listen carefully and take notes. We ask questions if we don't understand. We are a happy family. We love spending time together. We laugh and have fun every day. We always support and care for each other. We are sitting together in the living room. The TV is on, and a movie is playing. Everyone is looking at the screen. We are enjoying the movie together. I brush my teeth 2 times every day. First, I brush in the morning when I wake up. Then, I brush again at night before going to bed. This helps keep my teeth clean and healthy. In my free time, I like to paint. It is a fun and calming activity. I use bright colors and different brushes to create my art. Painting helps me express my feelings and ideas. Last week, I met an old friend from school. We hadn't seen each other for a long time. It was great to catch up. We talked and laughed about our school days. Today, we need to clean the house. We have to pick up the mess and tidy everything. We should dust and vacuum. After we're done, the house will look and feel great. We are drawing on a big piece of paper. We use pencils and crayons to make our picture. It is fun to draw together. We enjoy the time spent creating our artwork. Last night, my mom made yummy spaghetti for dinner. It tasted really good. We all enjoyed eating it together. It was a special and happy meal. I work in a bakery. I bake delicious cakes there. My cakes are loved by many people. Baking cakes is my favorite job. I enjoy making different cake flavors. My brother is not feeling well. He is sick and needs help. My mom says we should take him to the doctor. We will go to the doctor to make him better. I like to listen to English music when I walk. It helps me understand English better. Music makes the walk more enjoyable. It also helps me practice listening skills. We have a new classmate. She comes from Japan. She is very nice. We are happy to have her in our class. Her name is Yuki. She loves to share stories about her country. We are cooking lunch. We have many fresh vegetables and some chicken. We will use these to make a tasty meal. Everyone will help, and we will enjoy eating together. On my way home, I saw a cute puppy. It had soft fur and bright eyes. The puppy looked happy and playful. Seeing it made me smile. I felt happy just looking at it. I am in my room, playing my guitar. I am singing a song while I play. The music sounds nice. It's a fun and peaceful time. I enjoy spending time like this every day. We are going to have a family trip. Everyone is very excited about it. We will visit some fun places together. It will be a great time for us to relax and have fun. I am in the supermarket to buy some vegetables and fruits. I need them for cooking at home. The store has many fresh options to choose from. I am picking and buying the ones I like. Today is a snowy day. My sister and I are excited. We want to make a snowman. We will use a carrot for the nose. We have buttons for the eyes. Our snowman will look amazing. I am at the gym right now. It is morning time. I am doing my workout. I feel good and healthy. I like exercising in the morning. The gym helps me stay fit. Every day, I visit this cafe. I always order a cup of coffee. The cafe is my favorite place. I enjoy the coffee they make. The staff knows me well here. I feel relaxed every time I come in.